There were no injuries Thursday morning when a Bottini Fuel truck caught fire on State Route 9G, sending up a column of black smoke that could be seen for miles around. The fire was reported at 10:52 a.m. and caused authorities to shut down Route 9G between Slate Quarry and Wurtemberg roads for several hours, according to Henry Campbell of the Rhinebeck Fire Department. The driver, Edward J. Ash, 72, and his passenger, Nicholas Tolomini, 20, are both Bottini Fuel employees. The company declined to comment when contacted by the Freeman. Campbell said the truck was northbound on Route 9G when one of three 55-gallon drums containing oil additives that were in the back of the vehicle exploded. The other drums were close to exploding when firefighters arrived. Much of the truck's body, which was covered in white fire retardant foam after the flames were doused, appeared to have melted from the heat of the fire.